in literature English honor student of MBB college. That time we got tuitions and all. So in night time, when I find the time, I have to go in GB hospital. I still remember there I had to serve our people. Those who are suffering, those who don't know to speak Bengali language in GB hospital. I had to stay there with them, with the patient party, and I have all necessary service to
knowing the person sometimes, many a time. Also, a blessed becomes a blessed, receive blessings. Now, Dr. Pinky has already pointed out that if you donate blood, what are the benefits of it? So this is a blessing. Because by donating blood, as our Honorable Yan has donated 12 times, now it will be 13 times. So many of the things
Khumphui Academy ni NSS unit ni puila blood donation camp sondajaga tini 11 November 2022 সাল মারি ke puila jehetu Khumphui Academy ni tini blood donation camp ani hike tabuk bai 13 বার rakha 12 বার age ang rakha tini bai tabuk blood ringa bai hike 13 বার rakha ni laibo 13 বার bahike mari ka mani age ang NCC cadet tongmani MBB college NCC খাইব প্রত্যেক বছর NCC ni program কোন জায়গা চন বেশি হয় নি কেমারো আবার পরে চাইতে গোষ্ঠী আমি আগে থেকে জানা হচ্ছে প্রেস ক্লাব ni blood donation camp rogo even बेलू रोगो बुइथी मा थगिया जिबि रोगो बुइथी मा यानि फुन खाइजा काके बुइनो चुबाते थानि चुबामा अब हाइके तिनि बाय 13 बार आनि लाइफ अफ ब्लाड डोनेशन के ब्लाड रखा के ब्लाड नानि अब काइसा तंथमनि काइसा बुइनो चुबाय मानो गोबां मा बाक्सा ब्लाड मा यानि मुखै सगरि तंबाय दं पाइबो मैया दैबो खै अब हेरो इजिनि अब 3 मास नि पर से Chino blood, je chino tongwi tongmani. Tabo je ang blood di mani. About 3 months di pora hai tongwi tang pinai. Again ni ang jotobar blood rekha. Ni sak no tong to kai heleng sa hema tong. Again ni tuyo tabo tam to hamya ro je ka kaham ro ka abu sai mano. Buino nung chuai mano. Again ni je khat to ta yang khorok chano chuai ma ane ti bai. Tai khorok chani langma. Kaham nai aun bagino thui Yesik mana nung riman ke thiri mani chao thiri khai ke koi chiba subano nungu jora kaisa thiri nangai mano koi bu ni bagi thiri ni aun bagi hambai maya pharo Khumphui Academy rokno ini or program invitation na phai ang muchuka tari share ini aun bagi no tini bai 13 bar ang blood donation lekha jotna hambai dorong